What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel for another video. Today, again, we're going to be practicing more with the trim command and as well as the offset command. And we're going to be drawing this this gasket here. And so yeah, let's get started. If you guys wouldn't mind, smash that like video, hit subscribe. Really help boost this channel with the YouTube algorithm and things like that. So let's get started. So first things first, when I look at this, I see these two dimensions right here. And that tells me that I can draw basically a square that's 3.7 by 3.7. And that's going to be where I want to start. So we'll do 3.7 by 3.7 by 3.7 to there. And the next feature I want to draw is this circle. So we can start seeing how this thing's going to shape up. So we know that this circle's center point is 1.35 inches from the flat side of this square right here. And we know it is through the center here. So we can use the center snap point. So we'll grab the midpoint snap. So we'll grab that midpoint snap and we'll go over 1.35. And this right here is going to determine the center point for the circle. So this circle has a diameter of 2.125. So we'll activate the circle command with diameter and 2.125. And then there's that circle there. So next we need to look at the next thing that we could possibly do. And I think what I would like to do is get this outer round shape done in. So we can see here that it has a diameter of 4. And we can assume that it's going to be this is going to be the center point of that, which is also goes through the midpoint horizontally and the midpoints vertically. So we can just do this. We know that's going to be our center point. So we'll do a circle with a diameter of 4. And we'll get rid of those lines. And you can kind of see how this shape is going to start coming together. So now we need to use the trim command. So we'll use TR to activate it, TR space, and then we'll hit space again. We'll knock out these corners. There. And then you notice here, the circle is trimmed away here on the top and bottom, as well over here, but not over here. So we'll leave this one here, and we'll knock out this one here, that one there, and then that there. And that's a good basic outline of what this thing's going to look like. So next, what we need to do is to create this gap that's here that goes all the way around. And for that, we're going to use the offset command. And we know the thickness of this is uniform all the way around that 0.20. What we're going to do is we're going to activate the offset command with O and space. Then we're going to specify a distance of 0.2. And then we need to go to each one, click it, and click again on the inside. And we'll do that all the way around. We'll come back to this one. That one's going to need to be done just a little bit differently. But we can at least get all of these in. And what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and use the trim command and remove that. Then we're going to go back to the offset. We're going to finish it off. So now you can see that it's pretty rough, but this is the 0.20 thickness that is on here. So now we need to use the trim command and we need to clean all this up. So we'll do TR for trim and then space twice. And then we'll zoom in and we'll just take care of each one of these. It's a little monotonous, but unfortunately that's just it's just how this one needs to be done. Oops, missed that one. Okay, just a couple more. Okay, so that's done. But you notice we got rid of that. So what we can use in this case is the extend command. So we use EXT, then spacebar twice. I'm sorry, EX spacebar twice. Sorry about that. Then we'll pick either one of these and just click it, and it extends it back around. So that's pretty much the whole left side done, and the top and bottom. We just need to take care of this area over here on the right. So we know that this is a circle with a radius of 0.5. And it looks like, if you imagine this line coming straight down, that center point lies on the midpoint of that line. So what we can do over here is just draw a circle on that midpoint with a radius of 0.5. So then we can use the trim command. Go ahead and get rid of all this stuff here that's not needed. Then we use the line command, and we'll just draw horizontal lines, flat lines straight across. Then we'll use the trim command to clean those up. Then from there, we'll just go ahead and activate the center line layer. We'll use the center mark command. We'll tap each one of those, as well as one of these outer circles so we can get this main center mark there. And we'll take a look to make sure we didn't miss anything. And I don't think we did. That looks good. So that's this drawing complete. Thanks for coming and hanging out.